Welcome to another episode of Living Fire. Subscribe now so you never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Let's get into the video. You can start investing with only $100 and build considerable wealth. Your investments have the potential to grow to 6 or 7 figures. Are you feeling like it's useless to start saving and investing because you have very little money to begin with? Well, if so, don't give up just yet. No matter how much money you have to start with, you can build an investment nest egg, and you can build one that's big enough to fund your financial dreams. How to invest $100. Before you get started with investing, you need to know a bit about the different types of investing. You need to know what you're getting into before you put your money down on the table. So check out different types of investments. Work to determine which types of investments are most suited to your risk tolerance and your knowledge base. Some investments do better over the long term, even though they may seem volatile during the short term. Diversifying your investment choices will help protect you from market downturns. It will also help protect your money from economic ups and downs, whether personal or global. And now, we'll talk a little bit about a few different types of investments. Number 1, investing in the stock market. It's smart to check out the fine print when investing with small dollar amounts. Brokers who charge high fees can eat up the profits of beginner investors real fast. However, when done right, beginner investors who start investing with smaller dollar amounts can grow some serious wealth. You can build wealth through the stock market by purchasing individual stocks, index funds, etc. during the open trading times. Education is key before you start socking money into the stock market. Luckily, the internet is filled with great articles explaining the ins and outs of stock market investing. You should be cautious though, and only do your research using credible investment websites. Also, there are some great books on investing by experts such as John C. Bogle and Warren Buffett. Read books and articles by investing experts. This way, you can begin to understand how to make money through the stock market. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes and other promoted methods that promise big profits overnight. Investing in individual stocks involves a slow and steady wins-the-race mentality. And it also involves sticking with your investment through the ups and downs of the market. In addition, beginner investors will want to choose a brokerage account they can manage themselves online. This is especially true if you're starting with a smaller amount of cash. These types of brokerages charge little or no fees. So, this way you can be sure that as much of your money as possible is used for growing wealth. Here are some options for stock investment accounts for beginner investors. Ally Invest. They allow you to open an investing account with no account minimum. Also, stock and EFT trades are $0 each, and you can open an account with as little as $100. Ally Invest is considered a self-directed investment firm, which means they don't provide investment advice. Instead, they provide custom charts and other investing tools to help you analyze trades and performance. This way, you can learn how to make your own educated choices about what to invest in. With Ally Invest, you can access your investment account via multiple types of devices. This allows for easy and convenient investing. In addition, they also keep you aware of the latest investing information. They do this with live news streaming information. Betterment. Betterment is another company that offers stock investment accounts. One of the cool things about Betterment is that they charge you $0 for transaction fees and trade fees. Since they will actually give you investment advice, they're a little different than Ally Invest. They base their advice on your risk tolerance and how long you have to invest. Betterment charges an annual fee, but it's super affordable, 0.25% on accounts with balances below $10,000. This is a benefit for clients who make a recurring account deposit each month of at least $100. Each of these companies offer affordable fees and commissions for those just getting started in investing. Number 2, invest in real estate. Investing in real estate has long been touted as a smart move, and the wealthiest people frequently use real estate as an investment tool. You might think investing in real estate isn't an option when you only have $100 to invest. After all, you can't buy a rental property or flip a house on a $100 budget. However, there are companies that cater to those wanting to invest smaller dollar amounts. Ground floors offer fractional shares of short-term, high-yield investment properties to both accredited and non-accredited investors. The company offers venture loans to real estate investors, who then use that money to turn a quick profit on real estate properties. To date, Ground Floor has achieved average returns of over 10% on their investments, which are typically held for 6 to 12 months. The minimum to invest with Ground Floor is just $10. Number 3, buy collectibles. Investing in collectibles is also something that was at one time reserved for the wealthiest people. Celebrities and other wealthy people invest in art, in cars, in sports memorabilia, and more. Today, the world of fractional share investing has changed all of that, and now virtually anyone can invest in collectibles. This opportunity is much better than pursuing penny stocks. While penny stocks may seem appropriate if you have a small amount of money to invest, fractional shares investing in collectibles is a much safer investment opportunity. Penny stocks are more volatile. Rally Road is an app that offers fractional shares of collectibles to accredited and non-accredited investors alike. The leadership team chooses collectibles they believe are priced correctly and will increase in value. You can buy fractional shares of collectibles, including toys, cars, comic books, and more. Number 4, open a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is an option to make money if you are nervous about investing in the stock market. Most banks pay next to nothing for their savings accounts or a money market account. However, 𝐤𝐸𝐤𝐷 Bank typically offers a higher rate for their savings account that you will not find at any local bank. You won't get rich if you invest $100 or more in high-yield savings accounts, but you will get paid much more than you would at most traditional banks. Plus, if you are keeping your emergency fund in this type of account, you'll easily be able to access your funds. It's preferable to keep an emergency fund in an account you can access without early penalty fees. Number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Another less traditional investing option is peer-to-peer lending, often called P2P lending. Companies such as Lending Club and others like it work differently than banks. With P2P companies, investors choose to lend money to those seeking personal loans. Loan applications get analyzed and approved by the lending company staff. Then those loans are offered to investors who can contribute all or a portion of the loan amount to the applicant. Detailed information about the loan applicant, such as credit score and payment history, gets shared with potential investors. When investors open a Lending Club account, money is withdrawn for loans as the investor chooses. They lend money to borrowers after reviewing the borrower's credit and other facts. And when a borrower makes a loan payment, you, the investor, gets paid back with interest. This can be a fixed interest rate or a variable one. It's important to be aware of the fact that you can lose your cash in this type of investment. If a customer you choose to loan money to decides to stop making payments, you'll lose your investment. However, many people that have chosen to invest in this lending format, they're happy with the results. Proceed with caution if you choose this route. No matter which of these investing routes you choose, you can start earning money on your cash, but only if you're willing to take the plunge and open an account. Luckily, many of these businesses will let you invest, even if your account only has $100 in it. Number 6, invest $100 in index funds. An index fund is a fund designed to mirror financial markets, such as the S&P 500. When you invest in individual stock shares, each basket of shares is at risk if the company you're invested in goes under. When you invest in an index fund, you're spreading out the risk of investment loss through several companies as opposed to just one. Index fund investing was made popular by legendary investor 𝐥𝐸𝐤𝐞. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about how to invest with $100. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.